Hello internet. Sam's fixing holes. There's many holes. You also notice I don't have a microphone today, so this audio might be terrible, but hopefully we'll get away with it. Whereas my job for the day is going to be to try and clean this up as best I can and see how much mould I can get off this seat, which is exciting. And now I've got a can of this. Mega cheap carpet cleaner. Guaranteed fast removal of stains and odours, which it needs because it stinks. It hasn't come out perfect, but I'm not too annoyed at that really. The mould's gone, and hopefully it won't smell like death. Whilst we're waiting for that to dry out, I'm going to clear out all of this stuff because Sam keeps poking more holes in the van. I'm going to be honest, that's not ideal. So what's happened is it's obviously rotted out the arch, part of the floor started to go down here, and then whatever's gone on the floor, these panels have delaminated over here. So that's a big job, good fun. Okay, it's not too bad. It's just one giant hole. Me and Sam have come up with a motto for when we find things with this van that are wrong, and that's, it's an old van. Let's keep
It's an old piece of...
One last panel to remove, and it's held in by flathead screws of all things, so I'm going to find my flathead screwdriver. Awesome. I've always wanted one of these. Thank you. It's amazing how there can be so much in a van that really has nothing in it. Well, really now it has nothing in it. So the point we're at the moment is that the back end has all been cleared out. We found a rust hole down there, which is fairly substantial to say the least. So that's a bumper off job. There's another rust hole here. That'll all be fixed. This is going to come out, get tidied up. Let's go round and round, shall we? Have a quick look, see. Sam's been working very hard underneath. There was rust on the underside here, which has been fixed from the bottom. This hole has now been fixed. This hole has now been fixed. This hole is being fixed in a few moments. This one, whilst being a bit wet, is actually perfectly fine. There's no rust on this at all, which is actually kind of nice. I ran out of cleaner, so I can't clean that seat, but never mind. And obviously we have no dash. There's a couple of bits missing. There's a floating heater control module. That's really satisfying. Yeah. It was a bit of rust. Have you had a fun day, Sam?
No, I haven't.
I've got a beep.
You do have to beep. I'm going to make you work for this video.
Any last words?
Yeah, I found another hole.
Oh. As you can see, the carpet actually come up really good. Really pleased with that. And a lot of the mould. Sam's a bit frustrated because he keeps finding holes. Yeah. Sam's gonna kill people. Okay. So I was clearing out the van. We found a 6x9. Whilst it doesn't work because it's crunchy as anything, we've decided to drop probably about a 50 kilo weight on it just for shits and gigs. Enjoy. Not entirely sure how, but for the most part, it seems to have survived. We've got a little bit of, you might get a bit of distortion from the tweeter now.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Now there's a good chance this might not be okay. It's still 6x9, it's just by about 2 now. Awesome! Have a nice day, stay safe, subscribe, cool, bye!